This is a Wissota 6-inch bench grinder. 3rd horsepower, 3,400 RPM, 115 volts, 60 hertz, single phase, made in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's 6-inch. It's missing the tool guards. This side I just took apart. I'm going to have to fix this. There's a crack in the bottom there. You can kind of see through it. Maybe make some tool guards. But here's how it works. Put my hand out to quiet it down. Electric brake. So to fix the squeaky bearing on this thing, or a noisy bearing, tilt it on its side, put some oil in it and color it down.